Want to learn any language, you have to first follow these 4 skills.
Pronunciation at the same time his thought process is enriching my belief system, my
how to improve my English, how to speak English fluently, and
Today I attended Beena's webinar and
I'm Janu Upadhyay and I'm the biggest fan of Beena ma'am. And
I am Jessica of class 7C. In the webinar, I learned how to improve my English, how to speak English fluently, and many other things. They gave many informative tips. If we want to improve our English, we should listen, speak, read, and write. If someone is speaking English, we should listen it carefully and try to speak at our home. We should read books that will improve in our vocabulary skills, and we should also write English.
I had been participated in that workshop and it was really a great, wonderful. The best thing of the workshop was it was well organized.
and because of their experience, this webinar was really magnificent for me. And also they captivated me to attend this webinar for a longer time and by giving the more and more surprises about this English language. So what is there in this webinar? What happened? Actually, earlier I used to having the misconcept about English language, and still my pronunciation is not good. So when I attend this webinar, I got to know that there is a lot of
and I really appreciate them for their hard works.
If you want to learn any language, you have to first follow these 4 skills, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. And among them, the most important is speaking and listening, and of course the writing is the secondary. So Beena ma'am has given me a confident to speak English. She believed me. She make us realize that English is very easy language. Just you need to take action. That is very important. And second, Beena ma'am, Amita ma'am, she described about the technique. What are the technique? If you are learning new thing, anything, any language, you have to go in a proper correct path. That is the technique. And so Amita ma'am has described about the technique, the pronunciation, the structure formation of any sentences.
And I will definitely join such webinars in future.
So Amita ma'am, in this webinar, she explained each and everything, like how you can be a master on 4 steps, like LSRW, how you can follow LSRW, and how much grammar you should know and how many words you should know, because sometimes we get stuck while speaking just because of vocabulary. So which kinds of books you should read, and what is the importance of reading. The Beena ma'am also explained we should read a book, because good reader becomes a good speaker. So which kinds of books we should read, and what is the impact of the reading, and because
it was really amazing feelings for me to being part of your webinar. It was really great webinar and I have learned a lot. It was a great feeling. You and Amita ma'am really focused on how we can enhance our English speaking capability. It's a really great challenge for many of us. Still we are fear for speaking in English, and it's really nightmare for many of us, even for me also. I have learned for a lot of things from your webinar, and the way you and Amita ma'am present your webinar is a very constructive way.
They have lot of experience in the field of English, and because of it I learned so many interesting things. And one more thing that I like, that how they present their webinar, how they speak, the words they use, it is too attractive. I love that all, and it was very neat decision for me.
You will increase your thought process while reading the books. And if we talk about writing parts, writing is also important, because whatever you are speaking you can write it too. So but how to write, which kinds of matter we should write, in which manner we should write. So
Initially, of course, just to encourage people, motivate them. The main factor, it has been highlighted by the Arbina Roy ma'am, and after moving forward from that step, it was taken over by the Amita ma'am. Then she has let us know about the how to be just focus on the kind of the things which supposed to be utilized, kind of the word meanings, phrases, idioms, which are actually the required. I mean, which kind of the you can say like that, highlighting the sentences or whatever you would like to tell other people. It will be kind of the putting something additionally, and they will be liking it.
The different problems you are facing day by day, then you put the solution of each of the problems, and you show the constructive way to different tips and tricks how we can overcome different challenges in English language. Some of we suffer really find difficulty to enhancing of the communication in terms of pronunciation. Some of we struggle to construct our idea in English. Some of we struggle in eye contact and the voice module, incorporating emotions, all those different aspects of the public speaking in terms of in English. So your webinar was based on the especially how we can enhance our communication skill in English and different skills associated to enhancing it, and there is the systematic approaches. This is the most important part that I loved on.
Has played a really wonderful role. It was indeed a great step forward from our comfort zone. I mean, having this kind of these sessions attending and doing the same for us as family members.
So I am truly want to join this session in further, and I am very thankful to all the mentors, Beena ma'am, Amita ma'am, and it's a very great pleasure to attend this webinar, and I'm excited to join this. Thank you so much.
This much only I can say that it was really, it was brilliant class, and I really appreciate all teachers.
Trust me, it was a really great feeling to be part of your webinar, and I hope I will get the opportunity to be connect with all of you in the future event also. Thank you so much for inviting me. It's a great feeling. Thank you so much.
in last, I would love to say that I would be a part of this unique English program very soon.